In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create social trading account in Exness. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a strategy set up and ready for investors to copy, with all the key settings configured correctly. First, open your Exness personal area in a web browser and sign into your account. From your dashboard, head to the copy trading section. This is where all social trading features live and where you'll manage strategies that others can follow. Next, go to My Copy Strategies. If this is your first time, you'll see an option to create one. Click Create Your First Strategy, then choose Continue to move into the setup flow. You'll start by selecting the type of account you want to use for this strategy. Pick the option that matches your trading approach and the instruments you plan to trade. If you're not sure, choose the one you're most familiar with. You can always create additional strategies later with different settings. Now, set your performance fees. This is the percentage you'll earn from your followers' profitable results. Aim for a fair, transparent rate that reflects your experience and the value you provide. Remember, reasonable fees can make your strategy more attractive to potential copiers. Choose the execution type next. This determines how orders are placed and filled in your strategy. Select the option that best aligns with your trading style, especially if you rely on speed or specific fill behavior. Select your leverage carefully. Higher leverage amplifies both gains and losses, so choose a level that matches your risk management and the volatility of the markets you trade. Many strategy providers favor moderate leverage to maintain consistency and control drawdowns. Pick your trading platform. Select the platform you're most comfortable executing on. Staying consistent with your tools helps you maintain discipline and accuracy. Create or enter a strong, unique password for this trading account. Store it securely in a password manager and do not share it. When that's done, click Continue. Give your strategy a clear, descriptive name. Make it easy for potential followers to understand your approach at a glance. Then, write a concise description that outlines your method, the instruments you trade, your risk tolerance, typical holding periods, and any rules you follow. Honest, specific descriptions build trust and set the right expectations. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup. Your social trading strategy is now created. From here, you can fund the account, start trading, and monitor performance. Keep your description updated and your risk in check. Consistency and transparency are key to attracting and retaining followers.